Let's get it because we're gonna put this on YouTube.
Nasty.
Come on, dog. If you throw it up, it doesn't count. You gotta chew it, swallow it, and keep it down. You throw it up, you don't get the money.
You gotta chew it, swallow it, and keep it down.
Let me get a close up of this grasshopper.
For $50.
For 50, it's right here.
George?
Put it in his sleeve.
man.
Oh, he's ready. Let's go. All right, 1, 2, 3, go.
There you go.
All right.
Let's see it. Let's see it.
Open it up.
Turning red.
Swallow it. Let's see.
Let's see.
You gotta throw it.
Give him water. Give him water.
Don't get water yet.
No water, no.
Oh, it's just sitting in your mouth.
Oh my God.
Turn around.
I gotta swallow.
Oh my God. Why is it still in your mouth?
Why are you tasting it?
It's not gum.
Oh man. Oh, that was horrible.
I gotta swallow.
Just like enjoying the flavor.
Good flavor. Good flavor.
What does it taste like?
Like what?
It tastes like
I
shit.
can't. Tastes like chicken?
Chewy.
Oh, it's all chewy.
So much.
Do not open your mouth. That's amazing.
No, I want
Open it up.
Open
Open it up. Let's
Open
see.
it.
Just open it up.
Come on. That's what $50 should.
Open it up. Let's see.
Huh?
Just let us see it. We want to see it.
Oh my God. You must like the way it tastes, don't you? What's like gum?
What's the hardest part? The legs?
You gotta swallow it. It's not
I'm
gum
gonna
yet.
get something to drink.
No, you gotta swallow it. before you put it down.
Drink.
It's gone.
Let's see. No, it's not. That's
He's dipping it. He's dipping it.
He's dipping it.
Oh, hell.
That's the new flavor of dip, grasshopper.
Open it up. We gotta see it all.
No,
Turn your tongue that way so you see it on the other side.
no, It's gone.
No, it's not.
They're gone. It's still,
I think it's still in the back.
it's still on the side of your cheek.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's gone.
It's gone.